welcome back to my channel. Whew, it's definitely been a hot minute since I sat down in front of the camera and talked to you guys, and I've definitely have missed it so much. If you guys are wondering where I've been, I don't really have like any crazy excuse or anything, just college, okay? College has been just so crazy, especially this last semester. It's definitely taken over my life and my mental and just everything around me. But I'm so glad that's over with, and now I can get to doing what I love to do, which is filming content for you guys. This is great. This feels so great, and I have even more time on me because right now we're going through like a quarantine. We're supposed to stay at home and not really go outside unless you need necessities. So I have even more time for you guys. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little eyeshadow tutorial on this look here. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Let me just go ahead and pin my hair back really quick, and then we get into all the good stuff. Alright, so for today's look, I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette. Oh, if I can hold it up right. Is this right? Yeah. And I love this palette because it literally has every color you could want and need, so we don't have to use like a bunch of different palettes for one look, which is great. So if you guys have this palette, go ahead and get this bad boy out. And if you don't, why don't you have this yet? This is literally amazing. No, for real, if you guys don't, that's okay. If you guys have palettes that have similar colors in them, then just use that. It's totally fine. Alright, so let's get on with the look, guys. So to start, I've already kind of prepped my eyelids. I just have some concealer on there, and I set it with a little bit of translucent powder. It's been like probably like 15 minutes since I did that. So I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender that I used earlier to do my makeup and just kind of pounce it out, smooth out the area. And then I'm gonna go back in with that same brush that I used for the translucent powder and go over that as well, just to ensure that everything's nice and dandy for our eyeshadows. Okay, girl, because can't be having this eyeshadow look all janky now. You need to look nice. Nice. And also, I got lots of energy today, okay? It's Aries season. Aries season is not canceled, okay? Aries season is continuing. If anything, we're canceling Taurus season and we're taking that over, because Aries season is never going anywhere, okay? It's never gonna be canceled. Are you kidding me? Said like a true Aries over here. All my Aries, stand up, give this video a thumbs up. Now that our eyelids are all prepped, let's go straight in. So guys, just a quick tip, this literally has nothing to do with this like eyeshadow look, but for most of you guys who like complain that some influencers or just brands in general come out with eyeshadow palettes and they don't put the names on here, a pro tip so you don't ever forget is to tape the little covering that they give you with all the names on here. So literally you can just look up and all you can, like, you know, see what the names are. Anyways, so the first shade I'm going to be taking is this shade right here called B, and I'm going to use this as kind of like a transitions shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick this on here, and I'm just going to do little by little, guys. What I like to do is kind of like pat the product where I want to place it and then just kind of blend. And in a minute here, I'm going to take some translucent powder and kind of make a little guideline for myself. You totally don't have to do that, but for me, it's just easier. So again, oh, you know what? Let me zoom you guys in. So I am just taking that yellow shade called B, and I am just, again, patting and then blending. Okay, and I like to pat my products on first to kind of place it, and that way I'm kind of in control of how much product is there as well, and then I like to blend out afterwards. And we don't have to get too like into detail with this because it's just a translucent shade, okay? And then right on top of that, but like kind of below it, I'm gonna go in with orange shade in the middle, and it's called 518. I'm going to take that, and like I said, I'm going to put it right on top, but I'm going to put it kind of below it so it's not hiding the yellow. Alright, now that those two are on there, I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, I'm gonna use some translucent powder to kind of make a little guideline, and I'm just gonna use my beauty blender from earlier. So I'm just gonna pat that in there, and then I'm just going to just like that. So we have a little guideline, that way we don't really go too crazy with our flare. Now I'm going to be taking this shade Escape, and I'm going to be focusing this mainly on my outer V area, and I'm not really going to be bringing this up too much. I'm really going to be focusing it mainly on my lid. I'm going to blend it a little bit to the crease, but not too much. And again, I'm just going in little by little with a little product at a time, and I'm just placing before I go ahead and blend, okay? I'm actually gonna go in with another brush, kind of like a flat brush, just so that I can really place this product how I want to, and then I can just blend it out with a blending brush. I'm just gonna lightly blend this out. These are purple shades, guys, so you gotta work with them. Oh, it's getting patchy. It's okay, we'll work with it though. We're gonna blend and we're gonna work it, okay? Purples are definitely harder colors to make in the industry, and they're a little bit harder to like play with too, so you gotta know how to work that magic. And I'm just gonna bring that purple all the way through the crease, okay? I'm not gonna touch my lid. You guys see that my lid is still bare, but I have it on the outer corner of the lid, but I didn't bring it in. I just brought it through the crease. Okay, I had to blend that purple off of camera because it was gonna be a hot mess. But I got it. It looks good. It's not patchy anymore on this side. You just had to blend with it, play with it a little bit more, use a little bit more extra product with the purple. That's all. It didn't leave me with a patchy finish, so I'm not complaining about it. It looks really good right now. I love the color. So I'm literally going, love that single skip. And then I'm doing a little tap, and then I'm just gonna go right in. So I'm gonna go starting from here and just kind of blend it, just so I can blend that purple out a little bit so it's not looking too cray-cray. Ooh, this is getting spicy. So I'm gonna go back in with B, and I'm gonna go right back in and do the same thing and just kind of blend that edge out. I just wanna bring the yellow color back in there because it's kind of gone now that the pinks are in there. But you can still see the orangey. So I'm just gonna go right back over it. I'm not really going too much over the purple, just kind of going over the edge. Just so we can get that gradient. Yes, baby, yes. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this crease. You don't have to use the same one as me, but I'm just going in with Makeup Revolution's Conceal and Define in C6. So we're just using this so that we can really define the shade that we're gonna put on top. So I'm just gonna go in with like a flat brush, and I'm sure all of you guys know how to do a cut crease by now. I'm not really gonna go too in depth about that.
A few moments later.
All right, now that we have that cut, that crease cut, not that, yeah. Now that we have that crease cut, I'm gonna go ahead and go on top of it with the shade B. And I'm gonna pat this on so that we can get the most pigmentation out of it. Woo! That is a yellow if I ever seen a yellow, gee. Alright, and then I'm just going to take a little brush to kind of blend these two shades together, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the purple in the yellow and I'm gonna mix it on my brush. I'm just gonna back and forth with it until it meshes. Then on top of this, I'm actually gonna put some glitter so we can be sparkling and shiny. Let's see, what color do I wanna do? I think I'm gonna go in with So Good, which is this cute little gold shade here. You can't really see it too well in the camera. Let's see, there you go. Shade right here, I'm gonna go in with that. Love this shade. I think it's gonna look super cute on top of this yellow. And to really make it pop, I'm gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus, okay? Woo! Alright, so let me just pop that bad boy on here. Oh yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Oh my gosh. I'm literally about to have a party in my pants. Holy shit. Oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'm gonna blend away this translucent powder. That way we can go ahead and do bottom lash line. So I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, so we got the top done, and we just need to do the bottom lash line to pull everything together. But I'm super loving this look. Looks so freaking cute. Woo! So for the bottom lash line, we're gonna go ahead and connect that purple. So I'm gonna go in with like a little super skinny pencil brush here, and I'm gonna go in with that shade Escape. I'm gonna go right underneath that purple, and I'm gonna kind of connect it with the top lash line. See how that just kind of worked out for me? How I just kind of like connected that, and then I'm gonna go back in with that purple and then just kind of line my lower lash line. And I'm gonna go basically like 3/4. So I'm gonna leave that like first half kind of blank, okay? All right, we got that connected. So I'm gonna go in with another pencil brush that's not as like dense, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Love That. So I'm like all over the place trying to find these shades because it's not on here, so sorry about that, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of sweep it under there so we can blow this look out. All right, so I'm gonna take that yellow and just kind of messily stick it there in the corner. And also, I just wanted you guys to see, so I wiped away that translucent powder that I had underneath here, and you guys can see it gives you a nice line, but it's not like super crisp. So like when you use tape, for instance, you get that line, but it's like super sharp. Like I would have like a sharp edge. And like for this look, I'm not really wanting to have it so sharp, you know what I mean? So with this, it's still like a nice line, but it's soft. Let's go ahead and highlight. So I am gonna go in with the shade here called Daddy, and I'm gonna take that on my little brush, and I'm definitely gonna spray some Fix Plus so this thing is poppin'. I never used this shade, so I'm not sure how good it is, but I'm sure it's good. Oh yeah, that is exactly what I wanted. We are about to be poppin'. It is hot up in here, guys. It has been a hot minute of me filming with these lights, and I am not used to it. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. Whew. I finished the look with some mascara. I wish I would have had some falsies because it really would have made this look just that much more better, but I didn't, so you know, gotta work with what you got. This is the final look. I did pair it with a dark lip from Stila. This is in the shade Notte or Notte, N-O-T-T-E, and in the middle, I tried to not make it too dark, do a little bit of an ombre-ish, and I put NYX Soft Matte Lippy in Budapest. But I wanted to do kind of a dark lip so that my eyes would pop a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is the look. If you guys followed along this tutorial, be sure to tag me in all of your photos at NaturallyNecee. I would definitely love to see the looks that you guys create. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!